Hello, I'm Ryan Hines, and this is my consumer behavior audit on Amazon. So, a little background on Amazon. It was founded as Candelabra Incorporated by Jeff Bezos on July 5th, 1994, and they started out selling books online. Eventually, Amazon Web Services started in 2002, which provided website popularity, internet traffic patterns, and other statistics for marketers and developers. In 2006, the organization grew when Elastic Compute Cloud, which rents computer processing power, as well as Simple Storage Service that rents data storage via the internet, were made available. That same year, the company started Fulfillment by Amazon, which is one of the catalysts that really brought Amazon into the giant that it's become. Amazon has also developed an ability to disrupt well established industries internationally with technological innovation and mass scale. They are believed to be the largest e commerce marketplace, artificial intelligence assistant provider, and cloud computing platform based on revenue and market capitalization in the world. It is the largest internet company by revenue in the world and the second largest employer in the United States. Amazon distributes downloads and streaming of music and audiobooks through its Prime, Amazon Music, and Audible services. They also have a publishing arm and a television and movie studio. Their consumer products they present are Kindle e-readers, Fire TV sticks, Fire tablets, and Echo devices. So the first thing I'd like to talk about is market segmentation and the external influences. Are there cultures or subcultures whose value system is particularly inconsistent or consistent with the consumption of our products and services? Amazon offers a wide range of services and products for people of all ages. Their target market is anyone 18 and older who can use Amazon's app with their permission. Amazon's mission is to provide every necessary resource available to online customers. Is the product or service for male or female consumption? Amazon's products and services are for both genders. While they may offer certain products specifically to certain genders, their overall services and products are meant for both males and females, or whoever desires them for whatever use. In a survey conducted by Statista in March 2017, data suggests that 53% of regular Amazon Prime users were male, whereas 45% of Prime users were female, which is a near even split, showing that consumers of both genders use their products. Do ethnic, social, regional, or religious subcultures have different consumption patterns relative to our product? Because Amazon's products and services are meant for all ages, genders, and people, the number of products and services varies from person to person across all spectrums. Certain consumers use Amazon's subscription service Prime, which allows for free shipping content for users who buy products on Amazon more frequently than other users. Do various demographic groups differ in their consumption of their product? While the target market is 18 and older, Amazon markets to all social classes with their range of products and services. Amazon's platform and subscription service Prime is more readily available and accepted by generations X, Y, and Z. However, they have customers from every generation. This demonstrates Amazon's broad commercial appeal to almost all demographics. Do various demographic groups differ in their consumption? Oh, yeah, that's one we just did. Gotcha. There we go. Is our product particularly appropriate for individuals with relatively high or low incomes? While Amazon's product and consumption pattern differ from person to person, Louis Columbus, a writer for Forbes, discussed the commonality between Prime users. 70% of Americans with incomes of $150,000 or more who shop on Amazon Prime have memberships. This reveals Amazon Prime is more geared toward individuals with high incomes, even though that their prices are the same for everybody. Can our product be for specific roles such as students and professionals? Amazon's products and services are meant for students, employees, and professionals. In fact, Amazon offers a special deal for college students who sign up for Amazon Prime. College students can sign up for Amazon Prime and get the first 6 months free and pay a discounted rate for the service for their entire 4 years or whenever they graduate. This is Amazon's way of creating customer loyalty and trying to retain them even after their deal ends. Do groups in different stages of the household cycle have different consumption patterns? Amazon caters to the needs of people from the bachelor stage in life to the empty nesters who are retired and have no children living at home. Consumption of products is higher in the younger life cycle stages and decreases as people grow older. Now I'd like to discuss the internal influences. Can our products satisfy the needs or motives of different people? Amazon is the largest online retailer accessed through the internet and its phone application for the App Store and for Google Play for Android. The digital platform allows users to browse and search thousands of products at a time, add them to a shopping cart, and check out in mere seconds from any digital device that can access their platform. Amazon's goal is to allow consumers to purchase virtually any item through their platform and have it delivered to them. Is our product uniquely suited for particular personality types and self-concepts? Amazon's long line of products and services is uniquely suited to all personality types. Amazon describes its target's personality as easygoing, determined, and ambitious. As long as the consumer has access to the internet and Amazon's platform, they are able to purchase any product at any time. Prime users are also able to listen to music, watch movies and television, and live sports. Based on the products and services consumed, Amazon develops their platform to all personality types and self-concepts based on consumer preferences. Is our product more appropriate for one or more distinct lifestyles? Amazon's product is appropriate to almost any lifestyle, and that goes to show how convenient it is through their internet services and app, because you can access it anytime, anywhere. Do groups have different attitudes about an ideal version of the product? There are different attitudes toward Amazon, mostly based on age. Young consumers love the convenience and accessibility. However, the older groups are a little more apprehensive because they're not used to the concept of shopping and purchasing something without being able to tangibly touch the item. Customer satisfaction and Amazon's commitment to it. What factors lead to satisfaction with our product? Factors that have led to satisfaction with Amazon's product and services include affordability, convenience, selection, and stock. Amazon is one of the most affordable distributors of products in the world. Their Prime service makes things even more affordable with free shipping and returns. Their Prime service also includes music and video streaming. In addition to their large supply, Amazon has one of the widest selections of products which can be accessed and searched through the internet in their application. The convenience of shopping on the application and the internet site allows customers to browse thousands of products at the touch of a button. In fact, according to Chris Riley of Forbes.com, a few years ago, 4C ranked Amazon highest in overall customer satisfaction in a survey with a score of 90, the highest ever recorded by a firm. What factors could cause customer commitment to our brand? Amazon has gained commitments to customers through their affordability and commitment to customer service. Their Prime service is very affordable for all demographics, but college students get a discount rate, which has caused an especially strong commitment from college students and young professionals. Not to mention that they offer a 24/7 customer service line for anyone experiencing difficulties. Now I'd like to discuss the pricing strategy. These are the external influences. Does the segment hold any values relating to any aspect of pricing, such as the use of credit or conspicuous consumption? Amazon has a differential pricing strategy. For most consumers, Amazon Prime costs $119 a year or $9.99 a month. Amazon also provides other options for consumers. For example, Amazon offers college students a discounted price. Amazon allows new college students to use their service for free for the first 6 months, and then it costs them $49 a year, which essentially breaks down to $648 a month. They also offer monthly payment, which costs $12.99 for those who would like to pay month-to-month basis. Amazon also offers a subscribe and save membership, which can save consumers 15% on their orders, and they also offer a Prime credit card, which has benefits with them as well. Is it necessary to lower price to obtain sufficient relative advantage to ensure diffusion? And will temporary price reductions induce product trial? Amazon does not need to lower their prices to induce trial of their products. In fact, their products are so popular they've been able to raise their prices in recent years from $99 a year to $119 a year. Amazon does allow new users to use their for a trial period for 30 days free, or if you're a college student, for 6 months for free. They've maintained a growing number of Prime users even if prices have increased. As stated by Don Reisinger for Fortune.com, the subscription service has surpassed the 100 million subscriber mark and now has 101 million subscribers in the U.S. The company had a little more than 90 million U.S. subscribers at the end of 2017. Who in the household evaluates the price of the product? The consumer that signs up for the service. Anyone who is using their app is the one who determines it. And as demonstrated by the number of members of their Prime service and retention rates, Amazon seems to provide customers with a perceivably high level of customer value. Multiple people in a household can be Prime members, which is why evaluation of their products and services differ from person to person. These are the internal influences. Will price be perceived as an indicator of status? Price is not necessarily an indicator of status with Amazon because everyone pays the same fee relatively. There is a difference in price for students, however that's only for college students, and once they finish school they pay the same rates as everyone else. Is price an important aspect of the segment's attitude toward brands in the product category? Price is a very important aspect of the segment's attitude toward the brand. Consumers choose Amazon's products and services because they're the most affordable. In fact, competition such as Walmart has started doing free shipping on most of their products to compete with Amazon, which demonstrates how they've changed the industry. What is the segment's perception of a fair or reasonable price for this product? As demonstrated by the membership and retention rates, Amazon products and services are priced very fairly. New users and college students are offered free trial periods of 30 days to 6 months, and consumers pay for their products. However, with Amazon's Prime service, they receive free shipping, music video streaming, and free returns. Membership rates continue to climb because consumers perceive their products and services are priced reasonably and fairly. Alright, the next thing we'll talk about is the distribution strategy and the internal influences. Do male and female members of the segments have different requirements of the distribution system? Do working couples, single individuals, or single parents within the segment have unique needs relating to this product? Products and services consumed vary from person to person with Amazon. Every household has unique needs between products, purchases, and services used. However, all products and services are offered similarly through their Prime service or Amazon in general. Is the product complex that such a high service channel is required to ensure its diffusion? Amazon keeps records of customer purchase history and makes suggestions as to which products they think customers would enjoy or be interested in. By tailoring their website and applications to their consumers' desires, they greatly reduce the complexity of their service, making it easy for all consumers. Amazon even has a service where you can tell one of their smart devices, their Echo, the Echo Dot, what you want through its Alexa software, and it will order it for you without even having to pick up your phone or an internet device. Internal influences. What outlets are in the segment's evoked set? So Amazon's main competition are Walmart, Alibaba, Priceline, eBay, and Otto. And most consumers will search for information within their evoked set to seek out the best price for them or better service. Which evaluative criteria does this segment use to evaluate outlets? The evaluative criteria that consumers might use to evaluate these outlets is who has the fastest and cheapest shipping service. With Amazon, they offer 2-day shipping. However, Walmart, in an effort to compete with them, has introduced one-day shipping on some products and same-day in-store pickup. Where Amazon stands out among their competition is they offer the Prime service free for 30 days for new users and 6 months free for new college student users, which no one else has a real trial period for services like that, so that's why Amazon really stood out in recent years. Is the outlet selected before, after, or simultaneously with the product/brand? To what extent are the product decisions made in the retail outlet? The outlet can be selected before, after, or simultaneously with the product or brand. Often, people will make spontaneous purchases, and in those instances, they might choose the outlet simultaneously. There are also situations where they research their purchase and choose the outlet after, or they predetermine the purchase mentally that they will use an outlet with the product or brand. Will the selected outlets be perceived in a manner that enhances the desired product position? Amazon has a modern, streamlined design that allows users to easily search thousands of products at a time and check out in mere seconds. Amazon's slogan is, "Our vision is to be Earth's most customer-centric company, a place where people can come and find and discover anything they might want to buy online." While that seems pretty straightforward, it clearly explains what their values and goals are as a company and conveys that to their consumers. What type of distribution system is consistent with the lifestyle of each segment? The distribution system used by Amazon fits the lifestyles of each segment. Any internet device can access Amazon, so it can be accessed on the go with a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, or used at home. The ability to access Amazon almost anywhere is convenient to consumers who enjoy being able to purchase things any time of day. What attitude does each segment hold with various distribution alternatives? Each segment has different attitudes toward distribution alternatives. The young tech-savvy consumers are very open and actually enjoy the convenience of shopping online and being able to not have to go to a store. Whereas older customers, they're not used to not having something in their hand and purchasing online. Next thing we'll discuss is promotion strategy. What value does the segment hold that can be used in our communications, and what should be avoided? Amazon advertises that you can buy almost anything from them and have it shipped to your door. They track consumer purchase history, which allows them to personalize the experience and make suggestions based on their preferences. Amazon advertises through billboards, social media, and various media outlets. Amazon appeals to customers through their affordability, perceived customer value, and the services provided. Amazon should avoid price hikes or reductions in services to avoid consumers looking for different options. If they did, as you can see, price hikes haven't hurt them too much, but more so might drive them into the arms of their competition. How, if at all, can we use reference groups in our advertisements? Reference groups that can be incorporated are young professionals, innovators, young couples, and early adopters, and that's because they're the target market. By using these as a reference group, Amazon can capture what is most desired by their target demographic and tailor their service to their needs. They entice these groups by offering 30-day free trials to new users and 6-month free trials to new college students. This allows consumers to try their service and products and determine how they feel toward them and provide the company with feedback. If their experience is exceptional, they may even help the company advertise through word of mouth. Who in the household should receive what types of information concerning our product? The head of the household should honestly receive the information, whether it be a man or woman, whoever makes the financial decisions, because that's who's going to be deciding where the money of the household goes, and we would like them to be purchasing Amazon products and services. Internal factors. Have we structured our promotional campaign such that each segment will be exposed to it and interpret it in the manner we desire? Amazon advertises on almost all media platforms to all segments. Their goal is to entice people to join their Prime subscription service, representing it as so convenient that a person has to have it. Do our messages relate to purchase motives held by the segment? Do they help reduce motivational conflict if necessary? Yes, because Amazon advertises itself as an online market where you can buy almost anything, anytime, which fits consumer motives perfectly. Their free shipping and free returns policy also fit purchase motives by consumers who might be afraid to buy something and be stuck with it. Amazon is changing the mindset of shoppers who are used to the concept of having a tangible item in their hand to purchase rather than clicking a button and having it arrive at their door a few days later. Are we considering the emotional implication of the ad or the use of our product? Amazon isn't really concerned with emotional appeals. They're more concerned with getting their information out there and making it logically so that everyone should be using Amazon or Prime because it's so convenient, affordable. They obviously care how their consumers feel. That's why they're so high in customer satisfaction. But they're more concerned with educating the public than making emotional